Welcome, guys. Welcome to our today's survival of the episode 5, right? Maybe it's 5. Let's get some chicken. Let me get some chicken. Chicken. I need some sugar. I'm very sure I need much of sugar. And sugar is important. I want zombie could hit me. I don't care whether it's 5 times or 6 times or 7 times. I just went backwards. It's diamond pickaxe. Let's go to mine some diamonds. Don't care. I am not giving up. And wait. Oh yeah, we got clear weather. So what does that mean? Alright, now we'll come back. Throw away stock. Oh yeah. Hot. Rice. Light soup, pot, and stock. Okay, now it's like a race. Like a race. Race maybe. Just hit him. We don't care about anything. Just hit him. And now let's go back to our obsidian. What the? Oh. Obsidian. In diamond? What about diamond? It's way higher. Oh, so good. Way higher. Do you guys know what's that mean? Like 2 diamond or 3 diamond chest plate equal to one of the obsidian chest plate. That's so special. Wait. What is it? Compressor upgrade. Thrower. What shell template? I don't know. Let me figure out. But wait. Demon roll. Oh yeah, we need charcoal. But whatever, just mine something, maybe. So let's keep on going. Maybe we need to take a long time to take it out. Or maybe something we need to go to get some. You know what it is. Like from the house, we can make the box. When we have a box, we can make bookshelf. And when we have bookshelf, we can entertain a better pickaxe. I don't know how to say that, but I know we need to figure out. See. Okay, guys, let's see. Oh yeah, zombie. Ordinary zombies. And done. Back. Where's the zombie? Let me figure out something. My pickaxe. Let's see. Getting stuck. So wait. Oh. Yeah. Map 0, empty map. How to make this? Map 0. How to make it? We need papers and nothing. Map. Empty map. Map 0. Oh yeah. Papers. Compass. Okay. Let's make a map. Actually. Because we never be making any maps. I think we need iron one and put our obsidian back. I have an idea. Because the obsidian is always better. Let's see. What's grit power? If you guys had to see this video, please leave a comment and tell me what is the resonant redstone crystal and what is the grit power and what can we do with this two stuff. Atomic reconstruction in the resonator. Yeah. What a moonstone. What is moonstone? Moonstone. So, in the real glass, we need to make a reverse glass. How to make a lunar reflective? So, lunar reflective dust. Okay. We can use this. Click. Okay. Do it. I will put lapis on there. How good is 4. I don't give anything. Let's open those. Or this. Let's see. Oh yeah, we have gold ore, but I just don't go to burn it. The flesh, man, right, flesh. So, protection 1. Let's see. Oh, what alley? Energetic. What can I use? That's so hard. Alloy melter. Alloy melter. It doesn't need alloy melter. So, furnace. Dark matter. Melt 1.5 items, burn time 3. No, we don't need that. 3 furnace, 1 machine, chassis. So what is it? Okay, I will never do that. Because I don't want to waste any of them. So, today's our goal. Oh yeah, I have an idea. Let's go to Nether to get some things. And let's go to the Nether castle to find a Nether castle. Okay, now we need to climb up. Oh, whatever. We are not close at all. So, how do goes to service? No response. I always die there. Oh yeah, the time's way too fast. I could make more time, but now it's going time to end. I hope you guys could be like it. And after a time, we can play creative. If you subscribe me, please vote my map. See if you have played the creative, and meet me. And my world will be the name of the best roller coaster. Please subscribe and leave a comment to tell me what should I do and what is those 2 things. We get a goal like 5 likes. So bye guys. See you next video. Boom.